Hola, we're Pencil fpcKcawjgg gets guided season 2. Go now! Ah! I'm not letting you get away! Ah! You don't hit me! Flower Pencil fpcKcawjgg crashes the metro train into an island and gets fired. Oh boy, I can't wait for the train to come. Okay, I'll be waiting there to wait for the train for 15 minutes. Oh yeah, the train arrived! Oh boy, I can't believe we've just waited the train in 15 seconds. Now this time the train has arrived. Hop on aboard, you four. Okay, let's do it. The speaker is now inside a train. So, anyways, let's get on. Wow, there are so many places in this metro train. There are some seats. I can't believe we've been sitting there. Oh, it's so comfy. Ah, okay, I got there. Now what is inside there? Oh, there's so many parts. Oh, wait, there's no driver in this train. What should we do? We're going to drive the train into something, and this is gonna be so much fun. Time to take down this train. Whoa! The train is now going anywhere! How am I supposed to stop the train? There's no brakes. Only the wheel. I don't know where we stop this train. I don't know. Where are we gonna crash on? Where are we gonna crash? Oh no, we crashed the metro train into an island. What is that noise I heard? The four of you, is that the boat? Is that you? You crashed the metro train into the island? Yes. That's it. You both are coming with me. Train station office now. On your seat. I warned your parents that you crashed the metro train into an island. Now get out. You're fat. What? Nothing. You come over here right now and tell me what did you just said. We just said wombat poo. Oh no, you haven't. Come back to your seat and tell me what did you just said now. You're fat. Go home now. You're fired for 6 weeks, by the way. I'm so bored watching some TV shows while I'm completing my daily adventures. What are you doing from home early? We just, got fired from the train station. Now what did you just do? Just crashed the metro train into an island. You're so bad that I'm killing him. The end. Subscribe. Yippee!